traders at Axis Bank anticipate buying sentiment at the bond market to persist due to lack of high yield and investment alternatives in the market. Now, at the T-bills end of things, the bears are yet to loosen their grip. Uzor Anakebe, Treasury Team Member at Axis Bank, joins me now for more market updates. Uzor, thank you so much for joining us on the show today. Let's do a market wrap. What has played out from the highlights of Monday up until now? We've seen a little bit of dip in terms of our liquidity base at this point in time. The bears' grip on the T-bills market is yet to loosen, and we're also seeing some skewed trading in terms of the bond market. Bring us up to speed on the latest developments.
Thank you very much for having me. So, yeah, opening the week, we saw that the system was awash with liquidity. However, yesterday we saw the system liquidity decline to 849 billion naira and this consequently led to the OPR and overnight rate increasing slightly to 9.3% and then 1.26% in the market yesterday. We expect the system liquidity to continue at this level. We do not expect any significant match. The maturities coming in next week for the bond market, the T-bills market, that is the NTB, is going to be rolled over by the DMO, that is 148 billion naira that is maturing. And we've seen a lot of cherry picking in the T-bill space, whereby most market participants are looking for high-yielding instruments. We saw most of the instruments, especially for the bond market, we saw the 2050s and 2053s trading at 14% handle, while the 2025 was trading at 10% handle. And then we expect these sentiments to continue, and even in the T-bills market, like I mentioned earlier, it's worthy to know that most of the offers were not taking off in the market, as market participants expect that the rates would increase in the near term. And they're also expecting the CBN will float an normal auction in the near future. So most of these offers were not taken off by buyers. That was why we had a wide bidder spread throughout the trading session for this week. And for next week, we expect a cautious trading approach by market participants. For the FX market, we have a lot of interesting activities that have been happening in the FX market. We saw the CBN last month liberalize market, whereby they opened up the market for willing buyer, willing seller system, and we've seen significant activities taken up in this space where rate has been moving significantly. Yesterday's trading, we saw midday that the market was trading at 749% handle. However, at the close of business, the I&E market closed at 762 naira to the dollar.
Yes, do you think we might likely see any change, because we are seeing trading activities skewed to the beat side of things just due to that paucity of FX? Do you think we might see any shifts in the new week?
Coming into the new week, it will be observed that CBN did not play actively in the market this week, so we're anticipating that CBN will come actively to play in the market next week. And if CBN comes to the market, we will see most of the bids being offset by those funds by CBN. And also, in light of the fact that there will be more clarity on where the market is heading to, we're expecting the international counterparties to come in more in the coming weeks to do some transaction in Nigeria. And in the light that we are also anticipating that the rate in the NTB would improve, and then in the light that we are expecting that CBN would issue an auction, we also expect that we will see some activities whereby foreign investors will come in to partake in these activities, and we'll see flows in the FX market. So we are very positive that the market will improve in the near term.
And I bet investors are also equally as comfortable with the latest developments, the president signing of the 4 executive orders at this point in time. Uzor, we'll leave the conversation here for now, and then we'll definitely catch up for more market updates much later. Thank you so much for your time. That was Uzor Anakebe, Treasury Team Member at Axis Bank.